welcome to our channel. Okay, in the before class we discussed about electrons in the subatomic particles, and now we are discussing the second subatomic particle called proton. We all know that proton is positively charged in the atom, and now let us see some important points about proton. So proton was discovered by Goldstein. Okay, so Goldstein, one scientist, discovered the proton, and he was discovered by taken anode ray experiment. By anode ray experiment he discovered proton, and proton was denoted by P plus. So we all know that proton is a positively charged in the atom, and it was denoted by P plus, and the positively charged particles are called protons. Okay, these are some points about protons, and now let us discuss some more points about protons. Okay, proton was discovered by Goldstein, and it was discovered by taken anode ray experiment. Proton was denoted by P plus, and the positively charged particles are called protons. Now discuss some more points about protons. Okay friends, now we will discuss about the charges of proton and the mass of proton in grams, kgs, and lastly the atomic mass unit of proton. First of all, the charge of proton is 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, and the mass of proton in kgs means kilograms is 1.672 into 10 to the power of 612 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs, and mass of proton in grams 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 gram. Nothing but difference is just 10 to the power of minus 27, 10 to the power of minus 24 is the difference. Okay, and lastly the mass of proton in atomic mass unit is 1.00 into 00727 atomic mass units. And these are the points, and the last point is nothing but the relative charge of proton is plus 1. Okay, the relative charge of proton is plus 1. This is the last point. And well, now we will discuss about the last subatomic particle present in the atom is nothing but neutron. We all know that neutron is no charged body, means there is no charge of proton. The charge of neutron is 0. Now we will discuss about some more points about neutron. Okay friends, now we will discuss about neutron, the third subatomic particle present in the atom. First of all, who discovered neutron? So neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Okay, the scientist named James Chadwick discovered this neutron, and he was discovered neutron by taking atom bomb with alpha particle. So this symbol is denoted by alpha particle. So alpha particle we can learn in the Rutherford's atomic model after this subatomic particles over completed after, and the chargeless particle, it is very chargeless particle, means the charge of neutron is 0. Okay, neutron was discovered by James Chadwick, and was discovered neutron by taking atom bomb with alpha particle. Okay, so alpha particles we discuss in the Rutherford's atomic model clearly with an experiment, and it is chargeless particle. Okay, now we will discuss some more points, the charges of neutrons. Okay, friends, now it is some other points of neutrons. So neutron having no charge, the charge of neutron is 0, but neutron contains mass in kg, grams, and atomic mass units. Okay, so mass of neutron in kgs is 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg, same as proton. Okay, same as proton. And the mass of neutron in grams 1.674 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Okay, and the mass of neutron in atomic mass unit AMU is 1.00867 is the atomic mass unit of neutron, and the relative charge of neutron is nothing but 0 because there is no charge of proton in proton. Okay friends, these are the three subatomic particles that we discussed in the before video and this video. Okay, the three subatomic particles are completed, and now let's see two important points among two note points among these three subatomic particles. So we all know that electron is a negative charge body, proton is a positively charged body, and neutron is no charge. So mass of neutron is greater than proton and electron because there is no charge in neutron, then the mass will be high. Okay, mass of neutron is higher than electron and proton. And another important point, so mass of neutron is higher than electron and proton, and mass of electron is 1836 times lesser than neutron and proton. Okay, mass of electron is 1836 times lesser than this proton and neutron. Mass of electron is 1836 times lesser than proton and neutron. Okay, these are two important points, comparisons based on the three subatomic particles. Okay friends, okay, today I think it's enough, means the subatomic particles sort of is completed. Tomorrow or the next video, so we will start one new topic in this chapter is Rutherford's atomic model. So after Rutherford's, Bohr's atomic model, J.C. Thomson atomic model, like that so many atomic models will come. The atomic model, the topic will start tomorrow. Okay, so I think this video will very understand for you. If you have any doubts, put in the comment section, and if you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe until you not subscribed our channel. Okay, so share it to your family members and friends, then it is also helpful for them also. Okay, okay friends, take care and happy Independence Day for all. Okay, thanks for watching and meet in the next video. Bye.